Hello everyone! Is your car suddenly shifting poorly, or is the transmission acting weird? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0700 transmission control system malfunction, it means your vehicle has detected a problem within the transmission control module or the automatic transmission system. In this video I'll explain what P0700 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0700? The P0700 trouble code stands for Transmission Control System Malfunction. Your car's transmission control module manages the automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and optimal performance. When the TCM detects a faulty sensor, bad wiring, or internal failure, it triggers the P0700 code. Important: the P0700 code doesn't tell you exactly what's wrong, it just indicates a transmission-related issue. You'll need to scan the transmission system for specific trouble codes to diagnose the exact problem. Common symptoms of P0700. Check engine light on, transmission warning light on harsh or delayed shifting, stuck in limp mode, won't shift properly, decreased fuel efficiency, slipping transmission, or jerking. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the critical components involved in the P0700 fault. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0700, you'll need to check these key components. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location. Varies by vehicle, but typically found near the engine bay on the transmission case or under the dashboard. Function: controls transmission shifting, monitoring speed sensors, solenoids, and hydraulic pressure. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Location: on the transmission housing near the gear selector linkage. Function: detects the current gear position and sends data to the TCM. Input and output speed sensors. Location: mounted on the transmission case. Input speed sensor, ISS. Monitors the engine RPMs before power enters the transmission. Output speed sensor, OSS, measures how fast the transmission is sending power to the wheels. Transmission fluid temperature sensor, TFTS. Location: inside the transmission or on the transmission cooler line. Function: monitors transmission fluid temperature to ensure optimal performance. Shift solenoids. Location: inside the transmission valve body. Function: control hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. A faulty solenoid can cause rough or delayed shifting. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, TCM, and transmission sensors. Function: sends electrical signals to regulate shifting. Damaged wiring can cause erratic transmission behavior. Common causes of P0700. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. A defective TCM may not send proper signals to the transmission. Bad transmission fluid condition. Dirty, low, or overheated fluid can cause transmission failure. Malfunctioning transmission sensors. If speed sensors or shift solenoids fail, the TCM may trigger P0700. Wiring issues. Short circuits, corrosion, or broken wires can disrupt communication between the TCM and transmission. Internal transmission problems. Worn clutch packs, valve body failures, or a slipping torque converter can trigger transmission codes. How to fix P0700. Step 1. Scan for additional transmission codes. Use an advanced OBD-II scanner to retrieve TCM-specific codes. Step 2. Check transmission fluid. Inspect fluid level and condition. Dark, burnt-smelling fluid means it's time for a change. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged wires or loose connections at the TCM, sensors, and solenoids. Step 4. Test the speed sensors and solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance and voltage. Step 5. Reset the TCM and test drive. Clear the code with a scanner and see if the issue returns. Final words. Ignoring P0700 can lead to transmission failure, poor performance, and costly repairs. Diagnosing and fixing the issue early will help prevent major transmission damage. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0652. Sensor reference voltage B, circuit low. P0653. Sensor reference voltage B, circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.